Ahead of the winter session of the Parliament, the Centre has called for an all-party meeting today. In fact, the meeting is underway. Apart from legislative agenda, which will include celebration of 75 years of the Indian Constitution, the meeting is also convened to seek cooperation of opposition leaders for the smooth functioning of the Parliament session that's expected to last till the 20th of December. Now, to mark the 75th anniversary of the adoption of the Indian Constitution, an event will also be held in the central hall of the old Parliament building. So that is a symbolic move there. But given the importance of the all-party meeting today, let's go across to my colleague Aishwarya. Aishwarya, tell us who are the ones who are attending this meeting and what is on agenda.
Well, ahead of the winter session of Parliament, it is Defence Minister Rajnath Singh who is chairing this all-party meeting, which government has called. Apart from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, BJP President and also top Union Minister JP Nadda, along with Kiran Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, is presiding the entire meeting. We've been told TMC had not marked its presence in the all-party meeting. Apart from it, major political parties have come up. Of course, the opposition parties have stated that they will be raising issues of Manipur, violence inside the Parliament, and will seek a statement from the government itself. Apart from it, train accidents, air pollution, terrorist activities in the valley will also be raked up by the opposition parties. Now, very importantly, in this particular session, we have been told that there would be 11 bills which will be tabled for consideration and passing. Apart from it, 5 bills will be introduced in the upcoming session as well. That is day after tomorrow, Constitution Day, which will be celebrated in the old Samvidhan Sadan, which is the old Parliament building, and that on that day the House will not function. President of India will be giving a speech in the Central Hall, which will certainly send out a large message all across the country as far as the Constitution is concerned. But very importantly, from tomorrow till 20th of December, several important bills are to be tabled, including the finance bills as well. So an all-party meeting is still underway under the chairmanship of Rajnath Singh. All the leaders who have come from different political parties will be asked their opinions as well. But Congress has made it clear that they will be seeking answers and statements on the issue of Manipur in the upcoming session of winter session of Parliament.
Right. Thank you, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details. Important winter session of the Parliament to start from tomorrow. And of course, the opposition is also strategizing its agenda. But the BJP on a rise in its momentum, specifically with the victory, back-to-back victories in Haryana and also Maharashtra elections, that the election outcome, which has actually resulted in a resounding victory for BJP and its allies. So clearly, BJP approaching this winter session with a lot of confidence. Several bills on agenda here. Pramod Tiwari of the Congress party also spoke on this all-party meeting. Let's listen in to what he said.
मणिपुर मुद्दा को हमने उठाने के लिए कहा है कि अब स्थिति वहां नियंत्रण से बाहर जा रही है। सब कुछ करने के बाद भी इस सरकार में राजनीतिक इच्छा शक्ति नहीं है। बांटो काटो के तहत वहां बलात्कार हो रहे हैं, हत्याएं हो रही हैं और कोई कानून व्यवस्था मणिपुर में नहीं रही है। पर मुख्यमंत्री हम हटाएंगे नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री जी हम जाएंगे नहीं। तीसरा, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ता जा रहा है, रिकॉर्ड टूट चुके सारे। उत्तरी भारत में पॉल्यूशन की स्थिति गंभीर से गंभीरतम होती जा रही है। सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने भी इसका संज्ञान लिया है। देश जानना चाहता है, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने इसीलिए मुद्दा उठाया है कि पॉल्यूशन के लिए सरकार क्या कदम उठाने जा रही है।